Oh. Oh.
So it does up here.
It does.
It gets hot and warm.
It does heat. It does all kinds of shit.
What is it?
I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. I'm pushing buttons.
But it was all red and lit up a minute ago.
Yeah. Well, I'm doing something different.
I see all the fingers moving. Oh, there it goes. It lit up. So that's heat. Oh. It just gave out.
No, I just pushed a
Kaput.
different button.
It's breathable, washable. Who makes this?
Whoever invented this shit, fucking rocket scientist. Oh my man. Oh, that's good. I wish it was a little bit faster, but
It probably can be. You
I
gotta.
don't know. I should read the instructions, but I'm just too excited.
You look like you're about to jump out of a plane.
I want to.
Or scuba dive or something.
Orgasmic approach here.
Well, that you gotta put it in down in between your legs
No,
and pull
I don't.
up.
I think this will do the trick.
And just pull up.
I don't think I need to. This is just gonna work on its own.
Well, next time then you can lay down and put that behind your head. And I'll pull the straps from the front.
Oh my god, we're